Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and if you are using the PhoneLink app, I do quite a lot. It's an extremely useful way for me to transfer pictures or to really interact with my phone, even answer text messages. I really like it. One feature that is being tested in the Insider Rings that will come to PhoneLink soon is the ability to take text out of images. So if you ever have a picture, for example, and it has some text in it, there's a OCR feature that will open the photo app, and actually you'll be able to take the text out of any picture that you have. All you have to do is, of course, click the photos on your PhoneLink like this, and if any picture has text, you'll be able to take it, copy it, paste it somewhere else, or so on. If you have a text that you want to share with somebody, you'll be able to just extract that portion. The PhoneLink has really become an interesting app, one of the most usefuls that Microsoft has put in Windows 10 and 11, and I really think it's nice. Unfortunately, still has a lot of flaws on which phones are going to work with it, which phones are going to have all the features. I'm lucky to have a Samsung S22 Ultra, which does have every feature that the app wants you to use. But the other problem is still the very and almost lack of really good integration with any iPhones, unfortunately, because of Apple's security and lack of not letting other apps basically play in the system of the iPhone. So that's going to be kind of cool, and it's coming to the PhoneLink app near you. So hope that you'll find this feature going pretty useful. I think it's going to be nice. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.